Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my craft thrift store haul. I have a craft thrift store within driving distance from my house. I'll link to my YouTube short showing where it is in the pinned comment. I try to visit it at least once a month and keep my budget to under $10. This trip I was able to stay right around $8. I found a few interesting things I'll be able to use for storage and for my future junk journals. I'm going to get right into the stuff I found. I'm going to pull everything out of my shopping bags so you guys can see it a little better. Here's my receipt that shows I spent $8.60 in total. I'm going to blur most of this out so I don't have any of my personal information on there. These first two boxes are little storage boxes with separate compartments. I got them for $1 each. I'm going to use them for letters that I cut out from magazines and junk mail. They'll be great for other little small cutouts too. I already have a file folder for larger items, but the smaller things needed their own space instead of me using Ziploc bags. The next item is this little pin cushion kit. It was $1.50, and I'm going to open it up and show you everything it comes with. I'm really excited about it. Let me grab my scissors. First is this measuring ribbon. It goes from 1 to 12 inches over and over. Next are these folding scissors, and these are probably worth the $1.50 I paid for the entire kit. And you can never have too many scissors. It also comes with the fabric for the pin cushion. And if I needed a pin cushion, this would be cute to make. But I'm going to chop all of this up and use it for my junk journals. It also comes with an embroidery needle, which I needed. It has more ribbon and thread. Plus, it also has the instructions, which are great ephemera. Hope I say that right. All of this for $1.50 to be used in multiple ways is a great deal. Next, if you've seen my Halloween junk journal videos, you'll recognize these little photo albums. I found 3 more at the thrift store. They are so old, so the middle album part comes right out because the glue is old and doesn't stick. But I have a lot of planner stickers and can always use more organizational space, so they won't go to waste. These were either $1 or $1.50 each, depending on if they came with the little paper pad. I plan to cover each of them with fabric using Mod Podge and make a junk journal for every season now. One for Christmas, spring, and whatever else I can think of. I'm going to open one up and show you the inside. Let me also open up the scrap paper pad and give you a peek. This will also be great for all the junk journals. Very cute, and it also comes with a sticker sheet. I'll use that for my planner. Each one is a little different and has a little different types of paper inside with a different sticker sheet. My last big find is this book for 50 cents. And while I plan to use the music sheets for my junk journals, it turns out my daughter is a big Broadway fan and also a music lover. Both my kids play instruments, and so I'll be turning this over to her. I love seeing music sheets stained with tea and coffee and used in the background of junk journals. I don't know if you like that too. But unfortunately, this one will not be used for that purpose just yet, it seems. I guess I might have to use maybe our copier and make some copies and then stain them. I had one more cross-stitch kit I purchased, but either I dropped it or it got dropped at the shop because it didn't make it home with me, and that would have made my total add up correctly. But that's okay. I really made out well with this haul. What do you guys think? Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you'll see me in the next video where I start on my alphabet gratitude journal. Bye!